Hey guys, what's good? I'm Praveen from BodyProCoach Fitness and Nutrition. Today we've got something damn cool for you guys. It could be a great snack or probably a morning snack itself. So we've used a lot of items which has a very high level of nutritional value, and at the same time it does not spike much of insulin, which means that it is something that you can literally rely on in the morning or as a snack. So let's go and have a look at the recipe now.
Coconut milk. We're going to take half cup of coconut milk. There we go. To this we're going to add half a cup of water. Next I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. You can take white, black, both. I've taken raw chia seeds. Cinnamon powder. Next I'm going to add is Hershey's cocoa. That's going to be like really little. That's half a teaspoon. Next I'm going to add is stevia powder. That's 1 small. Next I'm going to add is some mulberries. You can also choose to add blueberries or strawberries, but I'm choosing mulberries because they give a perfect taste. And last, 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. Now I'm going to mix all of this really well. There we go. And now we're going to put this into the refrigerator for next 30 minutes.
So here it is, the keto low-cal pudding. Now we've used the mulberries, we've used the chia seeds and a number of other items. You need to see the complete video to understand the recipe. We're done with about almost 380 videos. That's a lot of videos about fitness. You got recipes, information videos, and some kids fitness. So you want to make sure that you share the channel with your friends and family. We're looking forward to see you in the next video. Lots of love.